students, now you see first chapter, it is your integers. So now I'm going to explain about your integers. So integers means what? Integers means the set of negative numbers along with whole numbers are called integers. Now, negative numbers means what? Negative numbers means suppose -4, -3, -2, -1, then -5, then -6. These are called negative numbers. And whole numbers means what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are called whole numbers. So integers means, okay, before integers, let me explain first what is whole numbers. Whole numbers means nothing but the whole number means the counting number which will start from 0. The counting number which will start from 0. Whereas natural number also is a counting number, but it will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So integers means the set of negative numbers. The set of negative numbers means what? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, like this way. Along with whole numbers. Whole numbers means what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. These are called whole numbers. So all together it is called integers. It is called what? Integers. Okay. Now that means your integer is, you see, when you are going to write all the integers, then suppose from here -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, then 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are called integers. These are called integers. Now you see, next positive integers. So you see here, these all are integers. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all are integers. Do not stop here, it will continue. This side also it will continue. So positive integers means what? From 1 it will start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These all are positive integers. Then negative integers means what? Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. These are called negative integers. Then what about 0? What about 0? You see, positive integers is starting from 1, negative integers is starting from -1. Then what about 0? 0 is neither positive nor negative. That means you can't say that it is 0 is a positive integer, or you can't say that it is a negative integer. So that's why if you have 10 rupees and if someone will give you 0 rupees, so your result will remain 10 rupees. If you have 10 rupees and from your 10 rupees, if anyone will give 0 rupees, then again it will remain in your hand 10 rupees. It will not change. So that's why if with any integers, if you add 0 or if you subtract 0, your result will remain same. So that's why it is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Next, integer, positive integer, negative integer. Already I told you what is integers, what is positive integers, what is negative integers. Now absolute value of an integer. So one integer, suppose for example here -3. One integer I am considering. This side let me consider 4. One more integer. That means this 4 is a positive integer and that -3 is a negative integer. So when you find out its absolute value, absolute symbol means we'll write like this way. Inside that symbol, if we write, suppose here 4. So how will pronounce this one? Absolute of 4. Absolute value of 4. So absolute value of 4 means what? It will remain 4. That means, and again here -3, it will remove here 3. That means what? absolute value of an integer, either the integer is positive or negative, no matter. So when you find out the absolute value, it will always become positive. It will always become positive. So absolute value of positive integer is positive, absolute value of negative integer is negative. Sorry, absolute value of negative integer is also positive. So that means either the integer is positive integer or negative integer, no problem, no problem, no problem. When the value will come out, then all the values will become positive. All the values will become positive. Next, you see comparing of integers. Compare. How will compare the integers? So here you see these are the integers lines are given. Negative integer also is given, positive integer also given, and 0 also is given. Compare means how compare means here you see positive integers, here you see negative integers, then here 0. So positive integers is always greater than the negative integers. Suppose one side is -3 and one side is 3. That means 3 is positive integers, -3 is negative integers. That means 3 is always greater than -3. So you have to know how to compare, means which one is greater. Then suppose two negative integers is given -2 and -3 and -2 is given. So in that case, the less number, if both are negative, so the smaller one will be always greater. So if both are positive, this 3 also, 3 and 2 both are positive, that means 3 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. But if both are negative, then 2 is greater than -2 is greater than -3. Like this way, you have to know how to compare the integers. The next point will come your ordering integers. Ordering integers means what? Ordering integers means how to arrange the integers. How to arrange the integers. Suppose in class 6, 5, when you are solving your maths, some questions are there. Arrange in ascending order. Some integers are given, and they are asking in that question that arrange the following integers in ascending order. Arrange the following integers in descending order. Like this way, you have to know how to arrange the integers. So if first all the integers you have to arrange in orderically. Orderically means first suppose in some integers are given in haphazard way, then all the integers is given. Then you have to find out the lowest negative integers first. Then next one, then next one, then next one. Suppose if I'll give you here -1, 0, -3, 4, 5, then 7. Here you see these integers are given. So if these all the integers, if we write in orderically, then how will write? We will write like this. So you see here, first you have to find out here the smallest integer here. Smallest integer and the greatest integer. So smallest integer you see here, not 0, -3 will be the smallest one. So we will write -3. Next will come -1. Next will come 0. Next 4. Next 5. Next 7. Because 7 is the biggest integer. So like this way when you write, that is called the orderically. You are arranging all the integers. So like this way you have to know how to arrange all the integers. Then operations on integers means what? After arranging this one with integers, you have to do addition, you have to do subtraction, you have to do multiplication, then you have to do division also. So here you see in your book in a page number 10, the one review exercise is given. First question it is given. Write all the integers between -18 to plus 19. So -18 to plus 19, when you are going to write all the integers -18. So between they are telling means we can't consider minus 18 also, you can consider plus 19 also. That means your integer will come out what? What answer you will get? Here you will get minus 17, minus 16, minus 15, minus 14, minus 13, then minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, then minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, then minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus like this side you will consider, and this side 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 18. These all integers will get inside in between the minus 18 and plus 19. Okay, so write it in your copy, you'll solve it. Then you see question number 2. Question number 2 means what? Find the absolute values of the following integers. Absolute value of the following integers means first one is given minus 21. So then absolute value of minus 21 will be plus 21. The next minus 52. Minus 52, 352. So minus 352 means the absolute value of minus 352 will be only 352. Like this is the remaining. Okay, number D. Number D is little bit difference. Difference means what? First it is, yes, not difference. Minus 305. So absolute value of minus 305 is only 305. Next question, you see question number 3. Find the successor and predecessor of the following integers. So it is very easy. Lower class also you solve, means plus 1 and minus 1. So here successor means minus 32, minus 32. So the successor of minus 32 is minus 31, and the predecessor of minus 32 is minus 33. Then next 204. 204 means what? The successor of 204 is 203, and the predecessor of 204 is 205. Next, question number 4, you see. Fill in the blanks with sign, less than sign, equal sign, and greater sign. So first one is given here, minus 18, gap dash, minus 14. So minus 18 and minus 14, which one is greater? Minus 14 is greater, so we'll put here like this, a symbol, greater symbol. Then next question it is given. Next question, arrange the following integers in ascending order. Arrange the following integers in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to greater. So you will arrange and you can write it. Next, question number 6. Arrange the following integers in descending order. Descending order means what? Greater to smaller. So you see, I told you already, I explained you how to arrange. You see here I have written some haphazard way some integers, and how I am arranging, you see. Same like you say, whatever the number integers they will give, you try to find out which one is the smallest integer and which one is the greatest integers. Then these two integers you write left side and right side, and after that according to the integers you will arrange it. Then you will get it. The next, descending also you can, arranging also, ascending also you can. The next question number 7, you see, add the integers. Add the integers. Here it is given. This question I am going to show you here. Here, first question it is given, add the integers. Here 4 integers are given. 4 integers are given. First one it is given plus 25, comma, minus 51, comma, minus 32, and plus 10. Plus 10. So here, when we are going to add this one? So first of all, we'll write 25 plus means minus 51 plus minus 32 plus 10. That means what? The positive integers will be in first left side. 25 plus 10. Then we'll write the negative integers. Negative integers means what? Minus 51 plus minus 32. That means what? Here, if we add these two, you are going to get 35. Now, both the positive integers from here, what we'll do? We'll take both the positive integers, we'll add. both the positive integers will add. So if you are going to the negative integers, so 51 and 32, if you add 3, then 5 and 3 means 8. So you will get here minus 83. Then here minus 35 plus into minus 83. Then from 83 you will subtract 35, and how much you get? 13 minus 5, 8. Then here 7. 7 minus 3 means 4, 48. So 48, and since 83 is greater, before 83 what sign? Minus sign. So write here minus. So minus 48 will be your answer. Like this way, if positive and negative integers, if they will give you for addition, first you separate the positive integers and you separate the negative integers, and you will add it, you will get your answer. The next question is given subtract plus 94 from minus 105. So simple way, from 105 you will subtract 94. Then the result, you see greater number is what? Minus 105. Then you will solve it. Then you see the two numbers, two integers are minus 104. If one of them is this, then find the other. So sum of telling means here 100 minus 104 will subtract 19. You will get the other number. Then next, the last question is given. The submarine was 932 meter below the sea level. If it ascends, means upside it will come. What is the new position? That means plus you will do this, plus this you will do. That will be your answer. We will solve it in my next class. I will see.
Stay home, stay safe.
Do it for self.
Do it for your family. Do it for India.
Let's break the chain of COVID-19.
हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद. हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद.
हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद.